today we're gonna be opening this with my cousin. She's filming me.
I'm the camera girl.
Yeah. So let's start opening.
So guys, I have the Ken Barbie at home,
Yeah.
and she really wanted Chelsea.
Yeah.
So she's gonna open this Chelsea.
There you go.
Wait,
At
at the back.
Yep. So we're gonna take stuff out. Yeah. First, I'm gonna take Barbie out. I mean Chelsea out.
That's not Barbie.
Yeah, I got confused.
So guys, when we get home, we're gonna play it, and we're gonna make a video of it.
We're gonna make a role play.
Yeah, we're gonna make a role
So
play.
we have this stuff first. I don't know.
It's like for her school. This is a bag.
This.
Okay, so it's my turn. Now, first, let's take out the doggy since I really like animals. Oh my gosh! Okay, guys, let's take out the teddy first.
Yeah.
I can't take anything out.
Wait, let me try.
Let me just take out the. Let me just take out Chelsea.
Yeah,
But Chelsea, get out.
She's tied to it. Oh,
Where did you? Where did Chelsea go?
I don't know. Oh, she's there.
Guys,
Okay, so we got it.
yeah. Guys, there's this thing in her hair, and I'm gonna take it out.
Okay, so now it's my turn. I want to take the dog out. Because
I really want to take the dog out.
yeah, but there you go. So cute.
Look at this. Woof woof woof.
Chippy chippy chippa chippa dooby dooby. Okay,
Oh gosh. Oh gosh, what happened? What happened? Okay, that's good.
so now, yup.
Okay.
Yeah.
What? Okay, so now I think I'm gonna take out the teddy since I have a teddy.
Yeah, I do have. I have a teddy too. Don't mind her. She's my sister.
Just don't want her. Oh
Yeah.
my God. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take out the mask out.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna take out the no, I'm gonna take out the iPad.
No, it's my turn.
Oh my gosh.
So I really want to take the iPad off.
Actually.
Okay, so I'm gonna take the iPad off. So yeah, let's do it.
Don't mind the bumpy. Just don't mind it shaking. Why? How did you take it off?
Okay, so
So I'm gonna take off the headphones now. I don't know how you take off these things. Oh my god. Never mind, guys, I'm gonna take out the bag. I'm trying to take out the bag. Oh my gosh. Never mind, I'm gonna take out like a teddy out. I think I'm gonna break this thing.
can I try to do it?
No, please, my turn. Okay, never mind. Roxy's gonna try.
Okay, so I'm gonna take the teddy out.
I always wanted to take the teddy out.
Oh yeah, I got it out. Girl, you have no strength. Yes, super duper cute.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna take off the headphones.
Finally, I can take it off.
Look.
Yeah, let me see that. Wait, let me see if the headphones actually fit,
Yeah.
guys. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. I think it doesn't.
That's not how you do it.
No, Gertie, let me do it.
Oh my god. Wait, you're messing up her hair.
I don't care if I mess up her hair.
I would say it does.
Okay.
Super duper cute. Okay, my turn. Okay, so the last thing is the bag, so I'm gonna take the bag out.
Stop. Stop.
The bag is kind of easy. Now let's see if it fits on Charlie.
Chelsea. Charlie, why did you say Charlie?
Well, how do you put the bag on?
I don't know. Let me try.
No, girl. I'm trying my best. Please don't laugh at me. Ooh, this comes out.
The tutu comes out.
So maybe she can go swimming when she goes to school.
Don't mind her hair, guys. Just don't mind it. Don't mind her face, guys.
I do that face when I can't get something in it. Okay. What are you doing?
Oh! It's in the camera, the face. She looks so beautiful.
Oh, her headphones. Grandma, you just re-put her headphones.
Wow. Okay, guys, so we will be back making a video about
Look.
Chelsea River roleplay. Yeah, so we're gonna be back. Bye-bye.